In Shopify, a collage refers to a visually appealing arrangement or collection of images that are displayed together. Adding a collage section to your store's homepage can serve several purposes and bring various benefits to your online business. A collage section adds visual variety to your homepage layout. Instead of just displaying individual product images in a grid or slider, a collage can create a more dynamic and interesting visual experience. It can break the monotony and make your store stand out, leaving a lasting impression on visitors. Now, we are going to add a collage section in our store. In the Shopify admin panel, navigate to Online Store. In the Themes section, click on the Customize button. In the theme editor, you'll see various sections and options on the left-hand side. Look for the section where you want to add the collage. By default, there is already a built-in collage section in the craft theme. For illustration purpose, we will delete it and create a new one. Delete the built-in collage section and click on the Add Section button. In the section library, search for Collage. After adding the collage section, select the collage section in the left-hand side menu to customize the layout. First of all, we click on the image. Click the Select Image button. Since I want to introduce our t-shirts in the collage section, I will choose an image with a model wearing our t-shirt. After selecting the image, click Done. The image will appear on our collage section. Next, we add a product in the collage section. Click on Product. Click on Select Product. Search for the product you want to add. Here, we select this t-shirt. Click on the Select button. We can now see that the product has been displayed in the collage. Next, we will add a collection in the collage. Click Collection. Click on the Select Collection button. Select the t-shirt collection. Click on the Select button. The t-shirt collection has been added in the collage section. Next, go back to the menu and click Collage to customize the layout. Here, I will delete the headings since I would like to use a separate text box to show our heading. Next, we can select the desktop layout of the collage section. Left large block and right large block layout in a collage section refers to a specific arrangement of images within the section. In this layout, the collage section is divided into two main sections, a larger block on the left side and another larger block on the right side. The purpose of this layout is to create a visually balanced collage section with two dominant blocks on both sides. It allows you to highlight specific images or products in the larger blocks while maintaining a cohesive and aesthetically pleasing design. For the right large block layout, the right side of the collage section also consists of a larger block or container, similar in size and width to the left block. This block provides additional space for displaying images or other content. You can utilize this area to showcase complementary images, related products, or supporting visuals that enhance the overall collage design. For the left large block layout, the left side of the collage section contains a larger block or container where you can display one or more images. This block typically takes up a significant portion of the section's width. You can use this space to showcase a primary image, a featured product, or a visually impactful graphic. I will select the left large block layout. Next, we will select the layout for mobile. The mobile layout of a collage section in Shopify can vary depending on the theme and customization options available. Two common mobile layouts for collage sections are Collage and Column. For the column layout, the images within the section are typically stacked on top of each other in a single column. Each image takes up the full width of the screen, ensuring that they are easily viewable on smaller mobile screens. This layout is optimized for mobile browsing and allows users to scroll through the images vertically. In the collage layout for mobile, the images can be arranged in multiple columns. Instead of stacking the images vertically, they can be placed side by side in two columns. This layout can be useful when you want to utilize the screen space efficiently. Users can scroll vertically to view the images within each column and continue scrolling horizontally to see more columns. In our example, I will choose the collage layout. Next, we can choose the card style, styling all as product cards, or using individual card styles. If the collage section contains product images, you may have the option to style all the images as product cards. This style aligns with the design of product cards used in your Shopify store's product listings or collection pages. Alternatively, you may have the flexibility to apply individual card styles to each image within the collage section. This allows you to customize the appearance of each image independently, giving them unique styles or designs. You can also change the color scheme and section padding of the collage section. Furthermore, you can adjust the horizontal space of the collage section. Select the horizontal space that you like. The horizontal space for a collage section depends on various factors, including the theme you're using, the content or images you want to display, and the overall design of your website. The most suitable horizontal space for your collage section is subjective and depends on your specific needs and preferences. Here, I will choose 16 pixels. Next, we can select the standard style or card style for the product. I will choose the standard style. Similar to creating the featured collection in previous lesson, you can also select the position of the sale badge and the color scheme. Now, we have created the collage section. Next, we move to the built-in rich text section to edit a heading for our collage section. In the left menu, click Rich Text. You can adjust the position and alignment of the text. I will keep the position and alignment as center. Next, go back to the menu and click the text section. Change the heading to Explore our t-shirts. You can select the heading size. I will choose medium. Now, we have created a collage section and heading. Remember to take a look on the mobile layout. Once you are happy with the collage section, click on the Save button to apply the changes to your store. View the changes to see how the collage section looks in your theme. That's it. We have created the collage section and showcase on the homepage.